Hello, my name is Mackenzie and I'm a respiratory care student studying at ECTC here today to show you the proper way to use a PeakFlow device. For demonstration, we're going to be using one made by Philips Respironics, and to begin, we're going to take our user manual and flip until we find a chart. Now this chart is going to determine where our goals are set on our PeakFlow device, which is right here, and this is split up between three colors: green, yellow, and red. So first, our green goal is going to be set based upon our age, our height, and our gender. So I'm a 20-year-old female who is 67 inches tall, therefore my goal is 475. So I'm going to go ahead and set that on my device. And then I'm going to set the bottom tab to 50% of that number. Now that I have this set, we're going to go into what each of these mean. So green means go, green means good, so you're in the clear, you're not having an asthma exacerbation. If you're in the yellow range, that means you need to watch your symptoms and use a rescue inhaler if you have one. And if you're in the red, that means you need to contact your physician or your doctor or go to your nearest ER because you're currently having an asthma exacerbation. When you use this device, you have to ensure that this red dot right here is pushed all the way down to the bottom in order to get an accurate reading. You have to do that each time. You'll perform this 3 times a day around the same time and document within your manual. So within this one specifically, it gives you an allotted space to document the date and the time and mark along where you got on your PeakFlow device. So how do you do it? So what you're going to do is you're going to completely empty your lungs, you're going to exhale, and then you're going to put your lips around this mouthpiece and perform a tight seal to perform. This way it gives you the most accurate reading of what is in your lungs. So like so. So I got a little bit above my goal, which is good. And I would perform that 3 times and document each time. Now this device should be used to monitor your asthma and document it in order to provide it to your physician so you can keep track of it yourself, and just a good overall tool to monitor your asthma. Now this device should also be cleaned once weekly with warm water and just generic Dawn dish soap, light dish soap, and you just want to clean it and then rinse it very well and let it air dry completely. And you only want to use probably warm water, nothing too hot. And here, there's also an example in here on how you document. So this is what is expected of each patient to document their results. So your date and your time and what you got on the PeakFlow device each time you did it. So once again, you want to do this 3 times a day, around the same time every day, in order to get the most accurate results to stay the most up-to-date and in health with your asthma. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful.